What's going on, everybody? Thank you for tuning in. Sorry about this last week. I got really sick and just really wasn't in the mood to record videos. But also, there wasn't a whole lot going on in the markets, anyways. But that's no excuse, no matter what, should be dropping content. But I was definitely really sick in bed for some days and finally feeling better, but also a little more enthusiastic about what's going on today in the market. So I want to start off. Bitcoin tapped almost 108,000, probably did on some exchanges. Looks like Coinbase just barely missed it, but right now we're definitely. I did have a trade at, where was it? 90 99,000. I was like around here. Um, and I rode it up to 105,000 here. So I caught something like that. Um, I don't know. I was looking at the 105K mark to be the next target, and obviously it shot right past that. Sometimes this happens. You're not gonna always, always get, you know, sometimes trades are gonna go way farther than you wanted or than you put your take profit at, but it is what it is. Ethereum, our 4,000 trade has already been hit. Basically, I've been kind of wanting it to pull back, but haven't gotten that yet, but it's left without us. A lot of these coins are in weird spots. Solana especially. I'm waiting for a big play on Solana. I did have a trade way down here. What was it? Last Tuesday when we got this huge liquidation sweep on almost everything. I got in at like 206, 207 or something, and I rode it up to. I closed it early. I was hoping to come up to like 240-ish, but it just wasn't happening. So this is what we're looking for now. I want to get it down into the 210 range. I think we're going to get that, to be honest. And this is going to be my next big setup. I'm really wanting Solana to just come down a little bit more and get into this support zone, sorry, which is a big liquidity supply area. Um, Radium. Actually, wow. Radium. Orca. Orca's kind of in a spot that I'm looking at, to be honest. I don't know how much lower we're gonna get. And I'm looking at this $4.50 area as a possibility. I was kind of seeing if we could get lower. I don't think we will. Sui took off, hit $4.90. I'm trying to see if we can get down to like 440. But the next thing I was looking at too was XRP ran back up, tapped this resistance over here, and immediately came down. And I wish I would have seen this because honest to God, I don't know. I would have maybe taken a short in that, maybe, but it's coming down quickly. Not respect. It doesn't look like it's gonna just die down from there. Dot is looking link at 29. We started to run, but we are not really doing a whole lot. It's just kind of trapped in this zone. Back and forth, back and forth. It's not really doing too much. It's just trapped in here. So, but the other thing, AVAX is running. everything is kind of in a zone where it's not really in the best, it's in the middle of what's going on. Like, here's the roof, there's the floor, and everything in between is just looking a little iffy to get into. I mean, this is somewhat, as you can see, breaking down, which could be a short, but it's just not something that's like high probability. Caspa is in a zone that could possibly be decent in this area. There is a lot of money sitting in this area, so we could possibly come up from here, just like that. Boom, boom. But I don't know. I just don't know. I can't call it yet because it's just not looking that great. It's a little iffy in this area. So, WorldCoin Jupiter woke up, and Jupiter's in this area. Zeus. Oh yeah, Zeus has been, so Zeus is on Solana, and they just recently made the first Bitcoin transaction on Solana. So it's first and only permissionless communication layer on Solana and Bitcoin, first DApp, followed by. So basically what is going on here is they are putting Bitcoin on Solana, and they're making it so that you can use Bitcoin through Solana, and it's a communication layer running through there. So as you can see, the price has been going crazy because of that, and we have been getting nothing but good reactions from that. Drift did have some, and the Pyth network is doing great. Cloud, Fetch AI is starting to wake up. All the AI projects, but everything, Aerodrome did really good. I wish I would have seen or been ready when this tapped and made the double top right here. Double top, boom, drop. And it could drop from here down to this zone right there. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to mark up. And this is already played out, so I'm not going to sit here and confuse myself with this, but like me personally, since it double topped, I feel like if it came down to here and shot, it's gonna break all this. So I want to aim for like $2.50 on this, to be honest. I still think Aerodrome is a great buy, long term, all that. I really do. I think this is a great area to buy. And I think we could come down into this $1.80 range. I really do. I think this is doable. I think this can happen. The TON network, not really doing a whole lot, but it is waking up. I still hold TON. I still believe it can do good. Filecoin. Aves just keep climbing and climbing and climbing. It's just going crazy. OP. Render hasn't really been, ever since it did this on the 4th, it just hasn't done a whole lot. Now Ondo, oh wait, Rune, Ondo, $2, Ondo. I've been calling this project since like, what was it, 60 cents, 47, 50 cents. I knew this would be a solid project. Injective. I'm just gonna move that. What I want to see for injective now is I want to get down into here. And I want to at least tap 35 again, but could hit 40 if it comes down and rallies, to be honest. I don't know, we'll see, but this is a good zone. If we can come down, it's just gonna get iffy because it'd be breaking all this. I don't know. It's just really, I don't know. We'll see if it gets down here. We're gonna see what to do. We'll have to play it by ear. Flow is a solid setup that some people in the group I'm in, they called it at 45, 50 cents. That thing ran. It's actually a coin I didn't technically get into, but it's something I'm watching now on a day trading perspective. Maybe not long term. I mean, long term too. I'm not saying it's not good, but I just have a lot of stuff allocated already and for my long term holdings. But day trading, I'm watching it now. Jasmine Corn. Doing great. Great. I've been holding this for a minute. FTM. I'm still mad because I said December this is getting a new update. The Sonic Network. I mean, we're talking about 50% since December 1st. But it's like, I knew that it was going to wake up and do this. And then it's like, it came back down to $1 and I missed it again. And I'm just like, Jesus, man. Like, I literally was on YouTube calling it out that I wanted to find an entry for December. And I missed it all. It's all good though. It's all good. Swift Super. I've been hearing a lot about this Prime Coin. Definitely shot out the water. Other than that, let's look at some meme coins. GME, not really. Oh, actually, it's in a good support zone right now. This coin just might be waiting on Roaring Kitty to make another post, honestly. Peanut's breaking down pretty bad. It's not looking super great. It's really not. Huh. Brett's not looking great either. This one does. This one's fine. Needs to really break above. Needs to break that shit up. Pepe. We could actually push up from here on Pepe. Supra. Dog with hat. Now, it did break this support zone. So, now, I don't know. Honest to God, like, I might have to get down to $2.30, $2.20, something like that to make this. It's definitely got some waking up to do. So, kind of just in a dead zone. Chill Guy, same thing. Kind of in a weird, it's in a weird spot. Bonk. Nothing really going on there. Daddy, mother, Flocky, BOME, Doge, Shiba. The money is definitely flowing in Bitcoin right now. That's where it's at. Ethereum's doing great too. It woke up. Solana, on the other hand, is only holding 2.8% of the market right now. Dominance. XRP is holding more than Solana. It's kind of a weird situation if you think about it. What do I see on the ETH dominance though? I mean, now that we broke the 3% range, it's obviously got to come down to like 2.7% and then go up. That's what I would say, honestly. If we break 2.7, it's iffy. It's a little scary if we break that. I hope we don't. Look at how it tapped right into that. Tapped right here and just ran. I really thought we were going to get down to like 53%, but it tapped that and ran. Look how it perfectly tapped 382. Yeah. Yeah, I'm just keeping it real simple today. I just haven't posted anything in a while. I just wanted to make this quick video for you guys. Just kind of looking at what I see right now. I'm really not in any trades or anything crazy right now. It's not really anything that's standing out. Like I said, I had that Bitcoin trade that just ran. It hit my take profit early. But right now I'm just kind of sitting on the sidelines. That looks... Everything looks like it's gonna short, honestly. Almost looks just too small of a trade though. Like, it probably will come down, but at this point it's not worth taking a short. I mean, it's not worth it. I personally would just wait for the longs. I'm not trying to short these. It's a little iffy to short. If you've gotten up like up here on the double top, that's a good short. But anything like, I mean, what are you gonna do? Go like this and take some, like, I don't know. To me, it doesn't seems a little iffy to me. I'm not personally gonna take it. Plus the time of day, not worth it. The only thing though is we got a break of structure on the 15-minute on Solana right here, but I mean, this is, I don't know. I almost wonder, could this work? Hmm. 2.5 risk to reward. I don't know, man. I'm what's Bitcoin doing? It's just not enough. 2:20 p.m. my time. New York's dead. I mean, it really depends. I mean, Asian market could come in and just take off. Bitcoin did run yesterday and today, so. All right, guys. Quick video. Thank you for watching. I have a lot more coming. I'm gonna be filming a lot more. Gotta make up for being sick. I want to do a lot more shorts. I want to do a lot more everything, and I want to start advertising what you guys can do to get fully educated and what group, I can help you there. So tune in. Have a great day. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.